Welcome, here I've got VIVAX Point X503 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see, now by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change that function we have to just simply slide a little bit to the right to the advanced camera settings, and here we have volume key function, so let's tap on it, and now we can change it from shutter, which is now, to volume or zoom. So for now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera. Now let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, now I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.